Hello, how are you? This time I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple Instagram chats at once. The first thing we are going to do for this example and for you to learn is to open the Instagram app. Once we are here in the app, we will go to the messages that appear at the top. In this part, there are all the chats, all the messages, all the conversations. Here it is very easy. What you are going to do is, for example, press and hold. For example, we are going to press and hold on these three to delete them. We press and hold on this one and only that chat will be deleted, but then we want to delete several, which is what we are going to do. So that several can be deleted at once, we are going to tap here on the three arrows, and here we are going to click on select. Once we click on select, we will choose the chats. We will choose, for example, this one, and this one. And now it's very easy. We tap delete, and this way we can delete all the chats we want instantly. We tap delete. Here a message pops up warning us that the messages will be deleted. We tap delete, and this way, see, they are already deleted. So Repository, it's very easy for you to perform this procedure and delete several chats at once. I hope you like the information, and remember to subscribe to this channel to stay updated with the best content on Android apps and social networks. Wasisi Kadia. See you next time. Bye bye.